At the very end of the process, you're going to add sound effects and music to your animation, both of which can really bring your video to life. So by giving a movement a whoosh or a crash will make the movement stand out much stronger in the video. And then choosing the music for it. If you're wanting to have it feel a little more moody or a little more exciting, then you're going to pick music that relates to that emotion. And by doing both of those things, adding sound and music, is totally going to transform your video and make it that much better.